everyone, my name is Shweihninzy and I have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Shane Dawson collaboration. We've got the Big Daddy Conspiracy palette and the Mini Controversy palette. So let's go ahead and test these on our eyes and see what we think. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so nervous and excited because this collection literally broke the internet. Not even joking. I ordered mine on BEAUTYLISH.com and this got delivered to me on a Sunday. I ordered it on Friday. I was getting my hair done. That'll be in another video. And oh my gosh, the website kept crashing. The Jeffree Star website crashed, Morphe website crashed, got on Beautylish and everything was going smoothly and I got it. I am shocked. And Beautylish's customer service and their shipping is amazing. So that's where I got mine from. And like I said, ordered on Friday, got it delivered on a Sunday. I am in shock. So here is the packaging. You open up the sleeve here and in this white box is the actual palette. This thing is so heavy. It is so nicely made. It feels so thick. This is my first Jeffree Star palette, so I'm very excited. I don't have any experience with his eyeshadow, so this is my first time testing. Lifted up the things here and oh my gosh, I was saying on my Instagram stories, it was crazy seeing this in person. If you guys have watched all the episodes, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely had a fun time watching everything and just being able to see the whole entire process, but seeing it in person is just crazy to me. This collection is just insane. The colors are beautiful. I haven't touched them or anything yet, so I'm super excited to play around with it. And here is the Mini Controversy palette. So here is the box it comes in, and then here is the palette. It's got this really cool rainbow like holographic effect, and then the inside is just insane. It's got some of its own unique colors in this palette, but also some repeats that are in the larger palette. I'm not going to do any swatches right now. There's so many swatches online that you can look at if you would like to. I just want to dive into the eyeshadow, honestly. So I'm actually going to do two different looks on each eye, which I've never done before, so I'm pretty excited. I already have eyeshadow primer on my eyelids. I've got the Tarte concealer on this side, and I set it with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and then I'll put the P. Louise base on that side. So I'm going to go ahead and do my first look here. I'm excited. Like, I don't even know where to begin. So many people are doing so many different things. I might dive into both palettes and go kind of back and forth, but I really don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna kind of play around and see what I come up with. I don't even know where to begin. I think for one look, I kind of want to stay with that bottom row and do something kind of dark and I don't know. So like the What's the Tea row. So I think I'll do that on one side. I'm nervous. I'm nervous because I know this palette is just so popular and okay. So I'm gonna go in with the color Tanacon as my transition shade. And sorry if I keep looking down. I'm looking at the palette and the colors and everything, so I apologize if I keep looking down. Oh! So these do have a lot of kickback. It looks like you do not need to dip in these eyeshadows very hard. Like, they're very soft. So again, going in with the color Tanacon in the crease. Well, more like the transition. So kind of like upper brow bone area. And it looks like I am getting a lot of fallout. So I'm gonna make sure to tap off the excess, which is why I'm doing, or the excess. This is why I'm doing my eyeshadow first and not my foundation already on, just in case there is some fallout. But that is a really pretty shade. And then I'm going to go in with the color What's the Tea. This looks so pretty. Oh, I used the JS9 for the crease. I'm going to use the Sigma E25 and I'm going to go in with the color What's the Tea. This is such a pretty blue. Oh, this might be too light, but wow, that's really pigmented. Actually, I probably should have put that in the transition because these two colors aren't mixing too well. I'm going to kind of blend that up a little bit. I like putting tape on my eyes as well, so I'm going to put some tape on here. I'm going to go in with the color Not a Fact. I kind of want like a stiffer brush, so I'm going to use the Sigma E37 and I'm going to use the color Not a Fact. Oh, this purple is so pretty. And then I'm going to go in with the color My Rides Here, which is a really pretty black, and oh my goodness, it's going to be super, super pigmented. So I'm going to go in with the Sigma E34 and I'm going to go in with My Rides Here. Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to go back in with my concealer and try and cut the crease here. I'm going to go in with the color Illuminati, which is such a pretty blue. Just trying to blend all these colors together too. And then I'm going to go in with the color Diet Cola on the other side. Oh my gosh, that silver is insane. It's definitely an interesting look. It'll look better once I, it'll look better once I have foundation on. I'm going to put some cool colors on the bottom too. Now I'm putting the P. Louise base on the other eye. And I'm going to use, I saw NikkieTutorials using like a beauty blender to blend this out, so maybe that'll be a little bit better. Let's go in with the color Cry on My Couch. So I'm actually going to stick with this palette, the Mini Controversy palette. So we go with the color Cry on My Couch with a E38 by Sigma. This isn't very dark. I'm going to go in with the color Flaming Hot in the Conspiracy palette with an E25 by Sigma. I'm going to go in with the color Canceled on a E45. And then I'm going to go in with a E55 and the color The Simulation. I forgot I should probably go back in with some of the base here. Now I'll go in with a little bit more of The Simulation. It's not as sparkly as I thought. And then I'll go in with the color My Boyfriend's Purse. Oh! That color's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be too. Here are both of my eyeshadow looks. They look pretty wonky. I might fix this eye a little bit. I think I'm going to go in with that Illuminati color. Fix this. That's a little bit better. Both of the eye looks are completely different. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my face on and I'll be right back. Alright, I've got some face makeup on right now. I feel like I need a little bit of something different there in the crease a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with the color Controversy from the Mini palette. I'm gonna go and blend these two here. This look is a little bit all over the place. This looks like a mess. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm putting so much pressure on myself. Okay, this is looking like a disaster. But anyway, so I really want to go in with that Neon Food Videos color because it is just so pretty. I'm going to go in with the Pract pencil brush and the color Food Videos under my eyes here. Let's see if I can do this. It's not as yellow and neon as I thought it would be, but there's something like when the pigment gets in my eyes, it kind of burns a little bit, so I don't know what that's about. But I'm gonna take the same brush and go in with the color of my rides here and kind of connect this little chunk right here. Yeah, there's like a lot of black. Oh no! There's, here, do you see the black streaks right there? Oh my gosh, this makeup looks like a disaster. I'm gonna put the color Trisha under there. I'll go in with the smudge brush, the E21, and then I'll connect canceled. I'm gonna go in with the color Ranch, and this will be my inner corner highlight. Oh, I love that color. Whoa. Just gonna kind of blend this. Yeah, I don't really like that lid color, so maybe I'll go in with Ranch on top here. It's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. I don't know. What do you guys think? Ah! Okay, I'm gonna put some eyeliner, put some face stuff on, and I'll be right back. All right, here is the completed look. It looks a lot better with lashes on and everything, and I even did like bottom lashes. I went all out, took my time, and was like, you know what? You haven't played with makeup in a long time. This is a cool palette. Just go for it, girlfriend. And oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these palettes. Do I think one is better than the other? The mini is really, really nice. Definitely. But this shade was a lot darker. I'm fair, so this shade was a lot darker than I expected it to be. And it's a very odd combination of colors. I definitely think that you could create a look out of this, obviously, but I don't know. It's nice. Do I love it a lot? I don't know. It's nice. That didn't really help. So I don't know, I kind of would pass on this one. I feel like you can do a lot more with the larger one, the Conspiracy palette. I just feel like there's more variety in colors, where this one is just very like, it's just blues. You know, where this is kind of everything. You've got your neutral row, your fun row, and then this is like your dark, like night out kind of thing. And even without these like pops of color, they can be pretty wearable actually. And I just want to show you guys what some of the fallout looks like. Hopefully you can see kind of in these shades here just how much fallout there is in the shadows. They're definitely really, really soft, and this overlay disappears really, really quickly. Oh, whoa. That highlight was poppin'. Like, I'll show you in this shade, My Boyfriend's Purse. Can you see? I dipped my brush in and it like destroyed that embossing. And there you can definitely do like a look with this, like I said, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. This is a nice palette, like I said. It's not as fun and versatile as the large one. But again, what do I know? These eyeshadows are so pigmented, they're so soft. They're definitely different than most eyeshadows that I've played with before. Like, they're really, really soft. And with most eyeshadows, I kind of have to like stab it a little bit to get the pigment, where with this, it was like stuff everywhere, and I'm not quite used to that. So these are really soft and very pigmented. They blend out beautifully, and I think this eyeshadow came out pretty cool. This is definitely not a look that I would go for normally. Obviously, I wanted to use as many colors as I could, but you can create so many different looks with these shades. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If this is your first video of mine, thank you so much for stopping by. I do videos on acne prone skin mostly. I do mainly foundation videos and stuff like that. Oh, on my lips, I have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip gloss in Legends Only on top of the KKW Nude 3 lipstick. So that's what's on my lips. Everything will be linked down below. I have 2 pairs of eyelashes on each eye to make it va-va-voom. That was a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching and have an amazing day.